Welcome to SM Investor. Be smart in life.
Today we are diving into clearing house, overdraft facility, and capital gains tax. Let's begin. Word of the day, clearing house. A clearing house acts as a middleman in financial markets. It sits between the buyer and the seller to make sure the trade goes through smoothly. It verifies all trade details, settles payments, and delivers shares or money to the right party. Even if one side fails to pay, the clearing house ensures the deal still happens. Examples in India include NSE Clearing Ltd and Indian Clearing Corporation Ltd. Overdraft facility. An overdraft allows you to withdraw more money than what's in your bank account. It's like a short-term loan with a fixed limit. You only pay interest on the extra amount you've used. It's very helpful for both businesses and individuals during emergencies or cash shortages. Capital gains tax. Capital gains are the profits you make when you sell an asset, like stocks, property, or gold. You pay tax on these profits, and it depends on how long you held the asset. Short-term capital gains, STCG, higher tax if you sell soon. Long-term capital gains, LTCG, lower tax if you hold longer. For example, if you sell equity shares within 12 months, that's STCG. If after 12 months, it's LTCG. Each asset type has different time limits and tax rates. Like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying these easy-to-understand finance terms. Catch you next week with more financial literacy in simple words.